Hi, so today is February 18th, 2025, and this is gonna be day 225 of consistently helping people build consistency. So, one of the best way to be consistent at doing anything positive, literally, like exercising, studying, practicing your art, is to just reduce all the obstacles, right? Reduce all the obstacles on, like executing that thing. So here's the thing. I'm going to be giving some example. So you know what? Every single time I want to edit my videos, right? Well, I still edit consistently, right? And upload consistently. But the problem here is that I kind of like procrastinate. I kind of fail, right? I kind of fail to edit my videos on a specific time of the day consistently. It usually ends up in, I edit it in me editing it, I editing it on, I don't know, nearly my sleeping schedule. So it's kind of like ruin my sleeping schedule because I procrastinate to edit it. And guess what? Guess what? One of the biggest reason why I procrastinate in editing my videos is because there's an obstacle. So what is one of the biggest obstacle of editing my videos? It's basically something as simple as just, sitting for a long period of time. That's not my problem because, at some point it's gonna get really uncomfortable, right? To just like sit down for like so long, right? And then I kind of figure it out, like, why don't I just kind of like put some pillow and just lie down on the pillow like this and I edit my videos. And you know what? I kind of have some moment of realization like, oh, you know what? Editing doesn't have to be that painful and that uncomfortable if I just found a solution to remove the obstacle, which is my sitting position, right? So here's the point. When there's an obstacle, right? When there's an obstacle, our brain is gonna be having some excuses not to do the thing. Like, oh, you know what? For my case, right? You know what? It's gonna feel like uncomfortable to edit my videos. I'm just gonna be doing it later, blah 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 blah, because it feels uncomfortable to just sit for a long period of time. But then I found a solution to reduce that obstacle, right? To just put down a pillow. So this way, I kind of make myself realize that, hey, it's not that uncomfortable. Hey, actually, editing for a long time of period doesn't have to be that painful and that uncomfortable anymore. Okay? So yeah, basically it all boils down to identify the problems, the obstacles that exist, right, in our routine, and then solve it. Go seek for a solution to it, right? So when we have found a solution, meaning that there's going to be less obstacle, meaning that one, we're going to be having less excuses, right? Less excuses not to do the thing, okay? Because we have eliminated the problem, right? The obstacle, right? And also secondly, it's going to be helping us to be consistent at doing this thing because we prove it to ourselves, right? That it doesn't have to be that uncomfortable. It actually can be enjoyable too, right? So yeah, that's how you actually be consistent at doing something. At least I think like the method that that I give today can at least make the probability of you being consistent go higher. Okay, so don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Bye bye. Thank you. Oh yeah, for the authenticity post for today's video, date authenticity post is that Mimzar posted an golf on ice post last 24 hours.